Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a video using AI tool. So this one is the website Skyreels.org. Now we need to create a free account. Click here sign in button. Continue with Google. And after that let me select one of Gmail account. This one. Then scroll down and click here continue button. Now account is created. Here you have two options, text to video, image to video. So let me select this one, text to video. And after that now you need to select a model. So by default this one is selected. After that you can type anything, for example create a video for flying taxi, and then you need to select duration. Let me select this one, 5 seconds. You can select 10 seconds. After that select the resolution. This one is recommended, but for that you need to upgrade the package. And after that you need to select the aspect ratio. This one is for long videos and these are for the short videos. And here you can see it will spend 8 credits to create this type of video. So if I increase anything, for example this one, then here you can see it requires 20 credits. After that click on submit button. Now here you can see on the right side it has started creating video. So now it is 5%. Once it will go to 100%, then video will be generated. And here you can see video is generated. Let me open this video. That looks great. After that you can easily save this video. So I'm using IDM. I can easily save this video in my laptop by clicking this button. After that you can share this video with anyone.